Hey everyone, welcome to the video. In this one, we're looking at the concept taught in Visual Latin Lesson 10. So here we're looking at all the verbs, but if we scroll down, we'll see the noun charts. And if we zoom in, we'll see the accusative. In Latin, the accusative is used for the direct object. So if I said, I see a horse, I would use video. In classical Latin, you would say video. In ecclesiastical Latin or Italian pronunciation, you'd say video. So video equum, and you'd probably put video at the end. So equum video, I see a horse. If you see more than one horse, equos video. If you see a road, viam video. If you see more than one road, vias video. If you see a gift, donum video. Gifts, dona video. And we'll keep moving on. If you see a field, agrum video. If you see fields, agros video, and so on. And this applies, even though we haven't talked about it yet, this applies to so many things. So we see the accusative here in the second declension and the first declension, and even second declension words over here that end with an ER. We've talked about that. Later on in the course, you're going to learn about third declension and fourth declension and fifth declension and all that stuff. At that point, you'll just be learning endings, new endings, because the concepts don't change. The accusative is generally used for the direct object in Latin. There are other uses too, but the main use is the direct object. And you're going to see this pattern repeated throughout with all the nouns. You'll see it repeated with adjectives. Yeah, so once you learn the concept, it's pretty easy, kind of falls into place. Okay, in the next video, we'll talk about Visual Latin Lesson 11.